Tired of feeling ripped off? Let's break down Mint Mobile versus Tello to see which budget-friendly option actually fits your life. First, pricing. Mint Mobile is all about buying in bulk. Think of it like Costco for your cell service. They offer plans in 3, 6, or 12-month increments. Tello, on the other hand, gives you total control. You build your own plan, mixing and matching data, talk, and text. Want just 1 gigabyte of data? You got it. Need unlimited everything? They have that too, offering month-to-month freedom, so deciding upon your budget is your first step. Data needs are key. Mint's plans range from 5 gigabytes to unlimited, which could be awesome if you're a heavy streamer. Tello lets you pick anywhere from 0 to unlimited GB, which is fantastic if you barely use data or want to precisely control your usage to save money. Consider how much you actually use each month. Network coverage is identical because both carriers use mobile's network. Check mobile's coverage map for your area to make sure you have good signal strength where you live and work. Customer service is often overlooked, but it can make or break your experience. Mint Mobile provides online help, including live chat. Tello also relies heavily on online support. User reviews suggest Tello might respond quicker. Do your homework by reading online reviews to get a sense of other users' experiences. The verdict? Mint Mobile is awesome if you want to prepay and maximize savings and you are a moderate to high data user. Tello is amazing for complete control and light data users. Consider your usage patterns and go from there.